Welcome to the Kumar YouTube video channel. I'm going to show you today with the luxurious Range Rover car how to close all the windows or how to open all the windows by your key. So basically that's the key. It's locked now, so if I press, it will unlock. If I press and hold, you can see all the windows will be opened. Yeah. Now if I press the lock, it will lock, and if I press lock button, hold, close all the window. As you can see, it's closing now. The top one also is closing. Thank you for watching this video. The next video I'm going to show you is child safety lock. To do that, you need to turn on your car first. Right hand side there is a little child and door lock sign. Which is on. That means the back both door is secured. Child or adult, they can't open the door from the back. If you press once, the light is gone, which means the child or the passenger can open the door at the back. So that's the child safety lock. The other one I wanted to show you is back seat folding table. If you press this one, it won't work. If you press this one, it won't work. The reason it won't work is because the old safety lock is on. So if you turn that off and if you press that again, it works.